Best motorcycle chain cleaners remove dirt, reduce wear, improve performance, extend chain lifespan, and ensure smoother, safer riding conditions. My today's video is about top 5 best motorcycle chain cleaners that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Muc-Off Motorcycle Chain Cleaner. This motorcycle chain cleaner delivers impressive cleaning power with a fast-acting grease-cutting formula designed to tackle the toughest drivetrain messes. It quickly breaks down stubborn dirt, grime, chain oil, and wax residue, leaving the chain looking fresh and performing smoothly. The formula works efficiently without requiring excessive scrubbing, making maintenance easier and less time-consuming for riders. One of the standout features is its ability to penetrate deep into hard-to-reach areas, removing built-up contaminants that can reduce chain performance and lifespan. Regular use helps maintain smoother gear movement, quieter rides, and improved overall drivetrain efficiency. It's ideal for motorcycles exposed to muddy roads, dust, rain, or heavy daily riding conditions. The cleaner also feels safe on metal components while still delivering professional-level results. Whether you're a casual rider or motorcycle enthusiast, this cleaner provides a reliable and effective solution for keeping your chain in top condition. Now our second product is Silca Professional Grade Bike Chain Cleaner. This professional-grade chain care bundle delivers an excellent all-in-one solution for riders who want smoother performance and long-lasting drivetrain protection. The 2-pack starter kit combines Silca chain wax and chain stripper, providing everything needed for deep cleaning and premium lubrication. The powerful concentrate effectively removes built-up grease, grime, and old residue while preparing the chain for a clean wax application. Each 4-ounce bottle includes a precision applicator tip, making the process simple, clean, and easy to control. The chain wax creates a smooth, quiet drivetrain with reduced friction, helping improve pedaling efficiency and extending chain life. It performs exceptionally well in different riding conditions, from daily commuting to long-distance cycling adventures. Another major advantage is its versatility. It works perfectly as a bike chain degreaser, lubricant, cleaner, and maintenance solution for nearly all bike chains. Riders looking for professional-level cleaning and lubrication will appreciate the durable protection and consistently smooth operation this high-quality bundle provides. Our third product is Muc-Off's 664 US Nanotech Motorcycle Cleaner. This cleaner stands out with its advanced nanotechnology formula, delivering an impressive deep cleaning performance that targets dirt and grime at the molecular level. Unlike ordinary cleaners that only remove surface buildup, this state-of-the-art formula penetrates deep into the drivetrain to dissolve stubborn grease, oil, and contaminants quickly and effectively. The cleaning process feels fast and efficient, saving time while restoring the chain and components to a near-new appearance. It works exceptionally well on heavily used bikes exposed to mud, dust, rain, and daily riding conditions. The formula not only improves cleanliness but also helps maintain smoother drivetrain operation and better overall performance. Another strong advantage is its ability to clean thoroughly without feeling overly harsh on metal parts. Regular use can help reduce wear, extend chain life, and improve riding efficiency. Whether you are a casual cyclist or serious rider, this nanotech cleaner offers professional-grade results with minimal effort, making bike maintenance easier and more effective. Now number 4, Lamson Store Chain Cleaner Kit. This chain maintenance kit provides a complete all-in-one solution for cyclists who want professional-level cleaning and lubrication without purchasing extra tools. The package includes chain cleaner, off-road chain lubricant, cleaning brush, and protective gloves, making bike maintenance simple, efficient, and convenient. It's designed to handle every stage of chain care, from deep cleaning to long-lasting protection. The advanced cleaning formula performs exceptionally well by quickly breaking down stubborn grease, mud, road dust, and grime. Its fast penetration technology reaches deep into chains, gears, transmissions, and disc brake components while leaving no messy residue behind. The included lubricant delivers smooth shifting performance, reduces pedaling resistance, and protects against wear even in wet or muddy conditions. Another standout feature is its wide compatibility. Whether you ride a road bike, mountain bike, e-bike, or off-road motorcycle, this kit adapts perfectly to different riding environments. Practical, durable, and easy to use, it also makes an excellent gift for cycling enthusiasts who value reliable bike maintenance. And our last choice is Mach-Off All-Weather Motorcycle Chain Lube. Mach-Off Motorcycle All-Weather Chain Lube delivers premium lubrication performance designed for riders who demand smooth and reliable operation in all riding conditions. Its advanced synthetic formula provides exceptional protection against friction, wear, and corrosion while keeping the chain running quietly and efficiently. Whether riding through rain, dust, heat, or long highway trips, this chain lube maintains consistent performance without breaking down quickly. One of its strongest features is the long-lasting protective coating that deeply penetrates chain links for maximum lubrication. This helps reduce drivetrain resistance, improve power transfer, and extend chain lifespan over time. The formula also resists water and dirt buildup, making it ideal for daily commuting and high-performance motorcycle use alike. Application is simple, and the lube spreads evenly without excessive mess. Riders will appreciate the smoother gear response and cleaner chain performance after regular use. Overall, this premium chain lube offers professional-grade durability, protection, and dependable all-weather performance for serious motorcycle maintenance. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.